Mac users, this is Hasibur and I have prepared this AppleScript for better management of your Finder files. And this AppleScript is 167 lines long, and let's see how can we work with it. Just run it, and for list 1, option 1, list all files. Then we can select folders with multiple folders. Selection is enabled here. Just choose them all files are copied here, and then paste them in CSV Excel. You can find the file name. Suppose I would like to delete 2, so let's make a list of files which I want to delete. File 2 and file 5, 2 and 5. Just add them in separated lines here and run it. Type 2, delete listed files. Those are the selected folder. Okay, listed files are deleted. 2 and 5 is not in here, and is not in here too. So let me create some txt file here. Okay, I have couple of txt files to those folders. Let me run the script again, and this time I would like to delete the files by extension. For this, let me close it. For deleting the files by extension, you need to insert the extension names here. Let me prepare one. I would like to make it PDF. Okay, so I would like to delete txt files and PDF files. Save it, run it, delete by extension 3. Those are the folders. Those all files are deleted. txt files are deleted, PDF files are deleted, txt files are deleted. And I'd like to run again, and then I would like to rename with fixed name, which is 4, and test underscore underscore underscore. This will be the fixed name, and then number will be added for renaming the files. Okay, and select the folders. Hit OK. Okay, renaming successful. You can see renaming successful. Renaming successful. Now rename files with unique names. So let me copy this, go to Excel, create them, paste them as text only. I want to rename those files with unique name like abc abc.csv, abc underscore xc, and underscore abc, anything. Just add that here. So I'm targeting those files. I'm changing this target files names to here, and the new names will be entered here. So new names will be those, and then run it again. Select 5, hit enter, select the folders, hit enter. Renaming successful with unique name. You see, all names are unique. All names are unique where the others are staying the same. So that is how this AppleScript works. If you need anything, any help for your automation job, just let me know so that I can help you.